Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the morning con call. We start with technical and derivatives outlook. So in yesterday's session, we saw that there was slight recovery in the market. The Nifty was up by 109 points. The close was 19,545. So we believe this extension of this move will be there today. There is a monetary policy and I think the Nifty is poised for 19,600, 650 level. So this is still a bounce back, which we are talking of. On a larger note, 19,200, 19,800. This is the range. Only when this range is taken out, for example, 19,800 is taken out on a very strong basis, then the aggressive uptrend will resume. Till then, we are in a sideways consolidation zone. And today, for the specific day, I think we'll see sideways to positive bias for the day, and 19,600, is likely to be the higher side range for the day. And on the way down, 19,500 is the immediate support. So below that 19,400 can be the possible support. So bias for the day is positive. We are talking of a bounce back trading session for the day. Coming to Bank Nifty was up by 249 points, and in yesterday's session, in the very first trade, we observed that 44,000 level was taken out, and during the entire day, it stayed above 44,000. So 44,000 was the immediate resistance, which is now taken out. So again, at higher level, 45,000 is the resistance zone. So Bank Nifty is in a range of 44,000 to 45,000 for the next one or two trading session. Bank Nifty is weak as compared to Nifty. Bank Nifty, there is probability, just in case if there is a further selling in the market, then Bank Nifty will be the one of the weakest counter, and that probability of it coming close to 43,500 is much higher. So Bank Nifty will be extremely positive only when this 45,500 level will be taken out on a very strong note. So until and unless 19,800 on the Nifty and 45,500 on the Bank Nifty is not very taken out on the strong note, the markets will be in a range mode is what we believe. Coming to the derivatives report, so there was a long build up in the Nifty futures to the tune of 6.31%. Put call ratio was flat in the Nifty future. As for the OI data, 19,600, there is a call writing. So this is going to act as a resistance, and 19,500 put writing. So that will be the support. Coming to Bank Nifty, there was a short covering to the tune of 4.1 or minus 4.05%. The put call ratio is slightly increased from 0.72 to 0.84. This is positive. The OI data, again, there is a 44,400. So there is a call writing. So might be this can be a resistance from the intraday point of view. And at or lower side 44,000, there is a put writing. So that can be a support. Coming to the FI data, so there was like they were in index future, they went long by 3,900 contracts. Their overall net short by 88,311 contract. They are short on the market, and this long short ratio is 25%. So today again, during the day, if the market performs, then I think we should be keeping a watch on the consumer durable within that Voltas, Bata, and Havels. These are the three stocks which are looking good from the intraday to trading perspective. IT space can also be kept on a watch. Next week there is a results. Stocks are looking good, so this is again a bounce which is expected. A few stocks from the positional bet is Prestige Estates at the 671 level. It's looking good. Indigo is also looking good. Indian Hotel is another bet. So these are where the stock specific view. We maintain that today should be a sideways to positive bias for the day. So that's the technical view. I'll hand over to Bunty sir for more research updates. Thank you.
Thank you, Brijesh sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning, team. A few updates from my side. So starting with TCS, the IT major completed the acquisition of Kalera and its merger with TC Delaware Technologies, making the merged entity a direct subsidiary of TCS. Kalera will apply for delisting on the New York Stock Exchange. Currently, we have a buy rating on the stock with a price target of 3740. Next, on the Godrej Consumer, the company estimated double-digit growth in organic sales in the September quarter, despite facing challenges in a tough macroeconomic environment. It reported mid-single-digit growth in the home care segment and consolidated volumes. consolidated sales grew in the low single digits. It seems to be neutral for Godrej Consumer. Next is on the Adani Wilmar. The company announced that it delivered strong volume growth in double digits on the back of large opportunities in packaged staple foods and strong execution. Rural sales have been growing at a faster rate due to higher focus on increasing the rural distribution network. The food and FMCG business continue to grow rapidly with segment revenue growth of around 25% on a YY basis and underlying volume growth of 18% for the quarter on a standalone basis. So this seems to be positive with respect to Adani Wilmar. Next on the Lupin, the company said that it has received tentative approval from the US FDA for Toltan tablets to market a generic equivalent of generic tablets of Otsuka Pharmaceuticals. This product will be manufactured at Lupin's Nagpur facility in India. To- Toltan tablets had estimated annual sales of $287 million in the US. So this approval seems to be positive with respect to Lupin. Next on the JLR, wholesale volumes were at 96,817 cars, up 29% on a YY basis and 4% on a Q1Q basis, notwithstanding the annual 2 week summer plant shutdown. Wholesale volumes for the first half of the financial year stood at 1,90,070 cars, up 29% on a YOY basis. So this wholesale volume numbers positive with respect to Tata Motors stocks. Next is on the Bharat Heavy Electricals BHEL. The company has announced that it has received two awards in arbitration proceedings against Jayaprakash Power Ventures Limited in two separate cases. Lastly, on the Newgen Chemicals, the company board has approved a preferential issue raise of 253 crores. These funds will be majorly used in the electrolyte and lithium sales, which are catering to EVs, business expansion initiatives. The price set is 1757. Currently, we have a hold rating on the stock. Yeah, that's it from my side. Over to you, Hitendra.
Yeah, thank you, sir, and good morning, everyone. Continuing further, we're starting with Indigo. Indigo has imposed a fuel surcharge in the range of 300 to 1,000 on airfares due to steep rise in the jet fuel ATF prices. The airline said that the prices would be from 6th October onwards only. And they have seen the recent surge in the crude oil price in the last 3 months and the ATF prices rising in the wake of, so they have risen these prices. Secondly, if we see Policy Bazaar Fintech, SoftBank is going to divest additional 2.5% stake from the company, and they have fixed a price band of 752 to 767, and which is a discount of 0 to 2% on it. Next is HPCL IOC. The Petroleum Ministry has increased the distribution commission from 64 to 73 rupees from October 3, but they said that there would be no impact on the retail prices. It would be adjusted in their margins only. For Godrej Consumer Product, they have recorded a single mid-digit volume growth for the July-September quarter. Now coming to the performance of Park Avenue brands, which Godrej Group and FMCG arm acquired earlier this year, the Raymond Group has improved sequentially and on the track to achieve full year guidance it has added. And last update would be on Thomas Cook. The rating agency CRISIL said Thomas Cook India rating has a double A negative stable for the long term and CRISIL even for the short term basis. So that's it from mine, and I'll hand over to Prabhakar sir for more updates.
Good morning, team. There are a few interesting data. So there was a cloud burst, and then a dam in Sikkim got washed away. The name of the dam is Tisa 3 Dam, which was washed away. It was 20 years old. So, based on which, there are data on many dams in India. So, India has 5,334 dams in total, out of which 234 dams are more than 100 years and 1,034 dams are 50 to 100 years. Now, and this dam was almost at 17,000 square feet, and this is a susceptible area, so it will have a lot of cloud burst and even now glacier burst. So, and two of the dam which belongs to NHPC also has been shut down. So that is very important. So NHPC has informed exchanges TISA 5 power station, which has 510 megawatt capacity. They have shut it down, and damage extent of damage is not known. TISA 6 HE project, which has 500 megawatts, which has been under construction, that also has been shut down. So the extent of damage is not known. NHPC also informed that these projects are insured, and we need to recollect recently in Libya, a dam was washed away and many people were feared dead. Same thing has happened in India and Sikkim. And this is not the first time India is having this. In 2021 we had, 2014 we had. So this has been happening in the hilly region of Himalayas on a regular basis. So climate change is something India should act very fast, because we will have a major impact. Angel One reported the numbers for September. So, very interesting update. Their client base is 1.7 crores. Now, the total demat account is only 11 crore, out of which this company has more than 10% market share, and it is higher by 4.4% month-on-month basis. When you compare year-on-year basis, it is 47%. Company has added about 70,000 clients. Average funding is 1,650 crores, which is higher by 13.4% month on month. Retail overall equity market share for the company is 6%. So very positive for Angel One, and the stock yesterday itself started to rally. Kalyan Jewellers came with an update. Their revenue growth in Q2 FY24, they said for Indian operation alone is 32%. Overall, it is 27%. And Kalyan Jewellers has added 13 showrooms and plan to launch 26 more showrooms in next 40 days, which is a very aggressive plan. They are not even 200, they have not crossed even 200 showrooms. So if they are adding 39 showrooms in just 120 days, it is huge capacity. So we need to understand the implication. So it is a long-term positive, and many stores are franchisee owned. Ujjivan Finance, they gave a quarterly update. Their deposit growth was 43% at 29,134 crores. Loan book grew by 26% at 26,600 crores. CASA at 24. Mankind Pharma and NHPC has informed disruption due to Sikkim flash flood. Yesterday we said the APLL also had an impact. Today Mankind also has said. NHPC have already informed. Tata Communication completes acquisition of Kelina, leading CPaaS platform player. Utkarsh Small Finance Bank also has given a provisional number where their loan growth was 26% at 14,894 crore, and deposit grew by 19% at 13,965 crores. CASA 19.9, not a great growth for a small company. Tata Motors came with a wonderful numbers. This is a quarterly update of their JLR business. And there the growth is very strong. So they have done 29%. It excludes China business. Now wholesale, they have done 29% growth at 96,817 units. Retail sales was 1,06,561 units, higher by 21%. And order book is 1,68,000 units. Defender model alone has 77% of the order based on 77% order, and their free cash flow would be for Q2 FY24 almost 300 million pound, which is very good for them. On Mobile forms a strategic partnership with Robi to launch casual mobile gaming product in Challenge Arena. Loda came with a provisional number. Again, very good provisional number from Loda. I think Loda is something we can see. See some selling pressure, but that would be an opportunity to buy. He had an accident in Europe, and there are news that he might be arrested. So in Loda, the pre-sale number was 3,530 crores, best ever, and it is 48% higher. So they are saying 48% of the sales guidance has been achieved, and company sees 7 launches. So collection was 2,750 crores. So Loda is something we like. We like even Kolte Patel and other business, other real estate. But Oberoi can see some selling. Larsen has said it has secured a few orders, which might range between 2,500 crores to 5,000. So they have listed about 3 orders there. Bengaluru, they are constructing a residential township where 3,627 apartments spread across 19 towers will be built. It will be 9.7 million square feet, and they will be constructing a commercial tower in Hyderabad, 2 buildings, 4.2 million square feet. And in IIT Kanpur, they have got an order to build super specialty hospital for 500 bedded hospital block with few other amenities. So this is positive for L&T. L&T is a non-stop stop. Havels has said it has launched a dual mode micro. So they have named it as DMMI. So 2 kind of inverter will be there, and they have got 4 US pattern, and it is unique because the solar panel, whatever we have at home or in offices, this inverter will convert the DC current to AC current. So this is very positive for Havels. In the last news, Hindalco enters into MOU with Odisha Mining Corporation for long-term supply of bauxite ore for proposed 2 million tons of alumina refinery, 150 megawatt capacity power plant, 8,000 crore will be the investment, and the first phase will be completed by 2027 with 5,500 crores. Over to you, team.
या थैंक यू सर एंड गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। सो स्टार्ट करते हैं आज के हिंदी अपडेट्स के साथ। स्टार्टिंग में जो है काफी इंटरेस्टिंग डेटा निकल के आ रहा है, जिसके हिसाब से रिसेंटली एक क्लाउड बर्स्ट देखने मिला था सिक्किम में, जिसकी वजह से एक डैम जिसका नाम है टीसा 6 वो वॉश आउट हो गया था। ये डैम जो है 20 साल पुराना डैम है, अराउंड 17,000 स्क्वायर फीट का। इसी के साथ कुछ रिलेटेड डेटा पे अगर नजर डालें तो टोटल करंटली इंडिया में जो है 5,334 डैम्स हैं, जिसमें से 234 डैम्स जो है वो 100 साल से भी ज्यादा पुराने हैं। 2 डैम्स इसमें से जो है वो बिलोंग करते हैं एनएचपीसी को, जिनको काफी टाइम पहले शट डाउन किया गया था। सो ओवरऑल ये जो सारा डिस्टरबेंसेस है ये हिली एरियाज में देखने मिल रहा है इंडिया के रेगुलर बेसिस पे, जो एक कॉशन का सिग्नल होगा इंडिया के लिए। एंजल ब्रोकिंग की अगर बात करें तो एंजल ब्रोकिंग ने अराउंड 7,70,000 नए क्लाइंट्स ऐड किए हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू द नंबर्स। इनका जो एवरेज फंडिंग है इसमें भी एक 13.4% की ग्रोथ मंथ ऑन मंथ बेसिस पे देखने मिली है, जो काफी पॉजिटिव अपडेट है एंजल ब्रोकिंग के लिए। कल्याण ज्वेलर्स की अगर बात करें तो इनका जो रेवेन्यू है फ्रॉम इंडिया, वहाँ पे एक 32% की बढ़त देखने मिली है। इसी के साथ इन्होंने 13 नए शोरूम्स ऐड किए हैं एंड एट द सेम टाइम 26 और शोरूम्स ऐड करने का इनका प्लान है। हाँ, सो इसी के साथ टोटल जो है अगले 120 दिनों में 39 शोरूम्स जो है कंपनी ऐड करने जा रही है, जो एक काफी पॉजिटिव अपडेट होगा लॉन्ग टर्म में कल्याण ज्वेलर्स के लिए। उज्जीवन फाइनेंस के नंबर्स की अगर बात करें तो इनके लोन बुक में एक 26% की बढ़त दिखने मिली है, जबकि कासा जो है वो 24% पे है। उत्कर्ष स्मॉल फाइनेंस के नंबर्स पे नजर डाले तो यहाँ पे भी कासा जो है 19.9% पे निकल के आ रहा है, जो एक नई कंपनी के हिसाब से बहुत अच्छी ग्रोथ नहीं मानी जाएगी। लोडा के प्रोविजनल नंबर्स देखने मिले हैं एंड ये काफी अच्छे आए हैं। प्री सेल नंबर जो है वो है अराउंड ₹3,530 करोड़, जहाँ पे एक 48% की बढ़त देखने मिली है। जबकि कलेक्शन है एट ₹2,750 करोड़। इसी के साथ जो बाकी रियलिटी स्टॉक्स है जैसे कोल्टे पाटिल एंड कुछ जो बाकी के रियलिटी स्टॉक्स, वहाँ पे भी एक अच्छा आउटलुक बन के आ रहा है, एक्सेप्ट ओबेरॉय रियल्टी जहाँ पे थोड़ी सी सेलिंग जो है एक्सपेक्टेड है। हैवेल्स की अगर बात करें तो कंपनी ने एक ड्यूअल मोड माइक्रो इन्वर्टर लॉन्च किया है, जो अब डीसी करंट को एसी करंट में कन्वर्ट करने का एक फीचर रखता है। ये काफी पॉजिटिव अपडेट होगा हैवेल्स के लिए। लास्टली अगर भारत हैवी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स बीएचईएल की बात करें तो यहाँ पे एक पॉजिटिव अपडेट है, जहाँ पे कंपनी ने अनाउंस किया है कि इनको दो अवार्ड्स मिले हैं इन आर्बिट्रेशन प्रोसीडिंग्स अगेंस्ट जयप्रकाश पावर वेंचर्स, दो अलग अलग केसेस में। इसी के साथ अगर कुछ मार्केट अपडेट्स की बात करें तो कल के सेशन में हमने एक अच्छा बाउंस बैक देखा था मार्केट में। फाइनली एक बुलिश क्लोजिंग हमें देखने मिली थी दोनों इंडेक्सेस में। निफ्टी अगर बात करें तो निफ्टी जो है कहीं ना कहीं 19200 से लेके 19800 के रेंज में ट्रेड करेगा, ऐसा एक्सपेक्टेशन है। जबकि इंट्राडे लेवल्स की बात करें तो 19500 एक इंट्राडे सपोर्ट रहेगा आज के लिए। बैंक निफ्टी की अगर बात करें तो बैंक निफ्टी भी अगेन एक वाइडर रेंज में ट्रेड करना एक्सपेक्टेड है, फ्रॉम 43,500 टू 46,300। जबकि 44,000 जो है वो एक इमीडिएट सपोर्ट हो सकता है आज के इंट्राडे पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से। सो ओवरऑल जो है एक्सपेक्टेशन आज के दिन के लिए पॉजिटिव रहेगा विद द गिवन सपोर्ट लेवल्स। कुछ स्टॉक्स जिस पे आज के दिन पे नजर रख सकते हैं वो है इंडिगो, टाइटन एंड इंडियन होटल्स। एफआईआईज एंड डीआई डेटा की अगर बात करें तो कल के सेशन में अगेन एफआईआईज ने जो है सेलिंग की है अराउंड ₹1,1864.20 की, जबकि डीआईएस ने ₹521.41 की बाइंग की है। फ्यूचर्स डेटा पे नजर डाले तो कुछ स्टॉक्स जहाँ पे कल के सेशन में लॉन्ग बिल्डअप देखने मिला है वो है कोरोमंडल इंटरनेशनल, एमएफएसएल दैट इज मैक्स फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज एंड सन टीवी। जबकि कुछ स्टॉक्स जहाँ पे शॉर्ट बिल्डअप देखने मिला है वो है ओबेरॉय रियल्टी, दालमिया भारत एंड मैरिको। So this was all from our end. Thank you for attending the morning con call. Have a good day.